The CHEP Pallecon 315-gallon IBC, or intermediate bulk container, is a simple, safe, and cost-effective way to ship liquid products. Why choose the CHEP Pallecon IBC? Let's compare it to an alternative solution, a bottle-in-cage IBC tank. First, let's evaluate the space requirements and operational efficiencies of each container. When full, the CHEP Pallecon IBC can be safely stacked up to 5 high without the need for racking, versus only 2 bottle-in-cage containers, freeing up 60% more floor space. When empty, the CHEP IBC collapses and stacks up to 12 high, resulting in an 80% reduction in required floor space in your warehouse. Additionally, the CHEP IBC has an interlocking design that makes it easier and safer to stack when compared to bottle-in-cage containers. The bottle-in-cage also requires nearly 3.5 times more freight than the CHEP IBC when empty and collapsed for transport. The CHEP IBC folds down to less than a third of its size, so freight costs will be reduced considerably compared to the bottle-in-cage, which takes up the same space whether transported full or empty. Now let's take a look at some other challenges with the bottle-in-cage. The triple rinse cycle necessary to wash these containers wastes a significant amount of water and poses a higher risk for cross-contamination when the bottle-in-cage is reused compared to a CHEP one-time use hygienic liner. Additionally, the number of harborage points on the bottle-in-cage, where product and mold can hide, significantly adds to the required cleaning, labor, and overall costs. When emptying product from the bottle-in-cage, there are 2 challenges. First, the bottle-in-cage requires air exposure to decant properly, which results in air exposure to the valuable product inside the container. Second, in many applications, there is often residual product that cannot be removed, which over time adds up to a significant amount of product and profit loss. With the CHEP Pallecon IBC's internal sump and flexible inner liner, the maximum amount of product is decanted every time. Overall, the CHEP Pallecon IBC is a more hygienic container that is safer to stack and more efficient to store. For more information or to request a quote on our bulk liquid containers, contact us today. Together, we can advance the smart and sustainable movement of goods, helping you achieve operational excellence and a more resilient supply network.